my name is Gabby. I'm 37 years old. I own LA.Donut, and recently my dad and I decided to take on a 1974 Bronco that was completely rusted, and so far he has all of that done. We still have so much more to go. This is my dad. Dad, hi. Hazte por acá. His name is Francisco, Pancho, Dad, Papi, whatever you want to call him. He has been in, ¿cómo se dice? Out of body technician for how long? 40 years. He knows how to say it in English, but he won't. He took off all of this, the front, the grill, the hood, everything. I'll post pictures so you guys can see it. And actually today he put everything on the truck. It is February 16th, Sunday, fun day, but this is our project. Absolutely everything needs to be replaced. It has no motor. I think we're gonna go with a Coyote motor because it has nothing in it. I can't open it because it's closed, but we're gonna do that. But there's still so much to do. I'm gonna replace the seats with the original style of the Bronco. We haven't really decided on color yet because obviously we're still not there yet. Tires are gonna get replaced. Honestly, everything's gonna get replaced, but it's me and my dad. Where's he at? Hi. And he's a little shy, but hopefully as this goes further, we'll have him on here. He only speaks Spanish, so I hope some of you guys are bilingual because he's not. So yeah, it's a 1974 Bronco. And yeah, we're gonna see if we keep it automatic or standard. And yeah, so I'll post pictures of what it looked like before and step by step of everything that we've done to it. But it should be fun. Say pa. He's busy. That's my mom. You'll see her every now and then. But he's saying that he needs to... ¿Qué tienes que hacer? ¿Qué lo tienes que poner? So something that goes there to close there. But I mean, obviously we have a lot of work to do. He actually recently restored one. ¿Qué año fue la restauración que hiciste? ¿74? 1974. I'll try to find the video so you guys can see it. So he's pretty badass. He has 40 years of experience in the body, out of body world. So I wouldn't trust anyone but him. Yay! I heart you. The other half is over there.
Aquí lleva unas cositas aquí que se ponen con remaches para ponerle los tornillos.
Okay.
Pero y luego las luces y luego esa, no sé si cambiar este o no. No, pero yo creo sí, porque tienes que cambiar este también de aquí. Este y el otro que va adentro porque está aquí, me está dañado aquí. Estos los tengo los dos.
Oh, sí.
Estos. Pero aquí te digo, el piso es el que me... O sea, le quitaron, pero nomás le pusieron este por encima, por abajo no tiene el pedazo, ellos se lo quitaron. Pero debía que traigas el libro para...
Okay. So what he's saying is, we need to replace this. We're keeping this. He's got these already because he just did a restore. Vamos a cambiar este también. We're gonna change that, so I gotta order that. I'm keeping this. I need to order some parts that go here, and then yeah. Ta-da! See you next week.